are so tiny. Okay, they're still okay. They are still okay. Wow, this is huge, guys. This is huge. Look at this. This is so big. Yeah. So you could use make sure you wash your miracle plant. This is so big. Yeah, wash it thoroughly. I already washed them earlier on. So wash your miracle plant thoroughly. Since this is big, I'll just take one for this cold that I feel and kata. Okay, wash it thoroughly, and then I get my honey, original honey. Please, guys, always get original things, okay? And then you can use your teaspoon. I'm very used to pouring mine like this, but just use a teaspoon and put just a little drop of honey. Okay, that's it. So please, what you need to do right now is you take your miracle plant and honey. For cough, you can say a prayer if you like. I naturally like to make some prayers because I just love this leaf. This leaf grows anywhere. Look at how beautiful it is. So I could just fold it in, and then chew. Nice. You can chew it with the stem or just the leaf alone. And yeah, you can choose to chew it alone without putting honey. You know, I love sweet things, so yeah. But honey is very good.